Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring both open loop and closed loop stepper drives for a variety of applications with our partner Leadshine. Compatible with most two-phase hybrid stepper motors, with or without an incremental encoder fitted, these drives ensure reliable and accurate performance. Over 30 million axes have been installed worldwide. These drives are ideal for CNC machines, medical applications, semiconductors, packaging and lab automation, and so on. These drives support multiple communication protocols, including pulse and direction, EtherCAT, CANopen, and Modbus RTU, ensuring compatibility with your selected motor. They are designed to work with NEMA 8 to NEMA 34 stepper motors and provide reliable performance across different applications. The EM stepper drives offer superior performance, smoothness, and low noise with exceptional reliability. They seamlessly support both 2- and 4-phase stepper motors with built-in DIP switches or setup softwares, which can be easily used to configure microsteps and output current. They support pulse and direction, CW and CCW control, or CANopen communication. They range from 20 to 80 volts DC up to 8.2 amps. The DM stepper drives, the Economical version, are highly reliable with good performance to cost ratios. With anti-resonance functionality built in, offering smooth motion, low motor heating and noise, they are available in 2 or 3 phases and can power a wide range of stepper motors from NEMA 8 to NEMA 42. They support pulse and direction, CW and CCW control, or CANopen communication. They range from 12 to 240 volts DC with up to 8.2 amps. The EM3E stepper drives support profile position, profile velocity, homing, cyclist synchronous position, and have 6 configurable digital outputs and 2 optically isolated digital inputs. They work with most EtherCAT controllers and PLCs and are compatible with NEMA 8 to NEMA 34 series stepper motors. They include low noise and vibration and smooth motion. They range from 20 to 80 volts DC with a maximum output current of 7 amps. The EM2RS stepper drives have Modbus RTU protocols using RS485 communication and can network up to 31 axes. They have built-in PR features with 16 segment position tables that can save additional controllers in most of point-to-point applications to greatly enhance system reliability and reduce the cost. They also support the feature of teaching the operating modes of profile position, profile velocity, and homing. They support 2-phase NEMA 8 to NEMA 34 stepper motors and range from 20 to 80 volts DC with maximum output currents of 8.2 amps. With advanced stepper drive technology, Leadshine's closed-loop stepper drives operate from a DC power source, offering top performance, networking capabilities, and built-in safety. They can function as a standalone device or be part of a multi-axis system in real-time networks. The CS3E closed-loop stepper drives operate over CANopen over Ethernet, and the operating modes include profile position, profile velocity, homing, cyclic synchronous position, and work seamlessly with our EtherCAT controllers and PLCs. Applications include solar, textile, robotics, power generation, computers, communication and consumer electronics, and packaging. They are reliable, affordable, and efficient, and have excellent performance with enhanced reliability, low noise, anti-resonance, low-speed ripple smoothing, and are very cost-effective. The voltages range from 20 to 110 volts DC with currents up to 8 amps. The CS2RS closed-loop stepper drives have operating modes including profile position, profile velocity, homing, and teaching features. They can support up to 31 axes and eliminate the potential loss of steps with real-time position error corrections. They have built-in uniaxial control instructions with a 16-segment position table supporting positioning, homing, limits, quick stop, and jog. They power two-phase NEMA 8 to NEMA 34 stepper motors and support 100 ppr to 5000 ppr incremental encoders. The voltage ranges from 20 to 110 volts DC, with currents up to 8 amps, and I/O includes 7 inputs and 3 outputs. The CS closed-loop stepper drives have communication protocols including pulse and direction, CW and CCW options for two-phase and three-phase stepper motors. They support closed-loop stepper motors from NEMA 8 to NEMA 34 and are dependent whether they have incremental encoders. This model is easy to configure and set up and is reliable and cost-effective. It also delivers excellent performance. The voltage ranges from 150 to 230 volts DC, with currents up to 8 amps. Leadshine stepper drives provide reliable, high-performance motion control solutions for various industries. Whether you need an open-loop or closed-loop system, contact us for more information. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.